Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to change the perspective of an image in Snapseed. But first I just wanted to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First we are going to open the application. After that we need to select our image, so we are going to click on the plus icon. After that, we need to select our preferred image. And then at the bottom of our screen, we're going to click on Tools. And then Perspective. Here we have three options at our bottom of our screen. The first one in the middle is the Filling tool, which if we change the perspective of our image, the first one, which is important because when we change the perspective of an image, it's going to leave a blank spot around it, and we can change it to Smart, which is AI based, White, which will leave a white background behind it, or Black, which will leave a black background around it. We're going to click on this Smart one. After that, to the right, we have an automatic alignment tool, which will align our image automatically to a programmed perspective. But if we don't like it, we can adjust it ourselves. On the left, we have four options. Tilt, which allows you to tilt the perspective of our image to up and down or side to side. The next one is rotate, which allows us to rotate our image to our preferred state. After that, scale, which will allows us to scale our image to our preferred size. And the last one is called free, which will allow you to freely change the perspective of the image. As you can see right here, I can freely morph our image. After that, if we are done, we're going to click on the check mark. And if we want to save this image, we're going to click on export. Here it's going to show us four options: share, which we share it to our friends on our preferred platform; save, which we're going to save our image; export, which is kind of the same as save; export as, it's going to create a copy of our image in a preferred folder. We're going to click on save. And after that, we can view our image. We're going to click on gallery. And here it is. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.